perfect freaking road. Alright, what's up boys? Welcome back to another video. Dude, we're almost at 6K subs. Till this day, I still can't believe it, dude. Honestly, I cannot believe the support you guys been giving me. Like, I appreciate all the amazing support. I just came to the gas station just to literally clean the window. That's literally it. I'm just... Oh my gosh. Basically, I'm not gonna fill up until it gets like really low and then make a video how much it cost me, because to be honest, it's actually not that expensive right now. It got a lot cheaper recently. I don't know what's going on with the gas prices, but they dropped like tremendously, dude. Like the local one I go to is literally like 50 cents cheaper in a week. Like, I still can't believe it. Dude, another thing that's dope about this thing, it literally tells me how much gas I have left, like percentage wise. I'm not really used to seeing that, you know, like, you usually just see a bar and you just kind of estimate it, but it's actually pretty nice. But I hope you guys are enjoying these like kind of like shots I do from outside. I feel like it's like a whole different feel. Sheesh, bro. I'm telling you guys right now, like, this car never gets old. The one thing I will say is when you watch the videos, like when I look back into when I used to watch like Hellcat videos and stuff, I remember it was like, it felt so amazing watching it, and then every time you hear the whine, it's like, for some reason it releases some type of dopamine. Like, I don't know why, but I get such a crazy dopamine rush when I'm freaking watching Hellcat videos. It's literally the same exact thing. The only difference though is that when you have a Hellcat in person, you start thinking about, oh shoot, I gotta pay for gas, I gotta pay for insurance, I gotta pay monthly, I gotta pay for customizations and all this stuff. You know, that's when it still feels good. It's like kind of like when you're a kid, you know, like, you know, when there's no responsibility, life is good, you're not stressing too much. But once responsibility comes, it's not bad, because it kind of makes you like grow as a person, you know what I mean? Like, now I'm finally a man, I have responsibilities, I have bills. Not only this, you know, like I need to buy a house soon, so, you know, just, it's not necessarily a bad thing to have responsibility. It just takes you out of your comfort zone. Oh my gosh. I've been kind of driving this car a little bit more chill recently, because like, dude, I've been filming a lot of outside shots, and bro, I'm like full sending it. So now I'm like kind of like, I'm gonna try to keep it more chill. Bro, I've been loving this steering wheel. Just the way it looks, the way it feels, dude. Jeez, bro. To the gym right now. I'm gonna film like a quick little gym sesh. You know, I've been kind of thinking about like putting more, like, not just when I do POVs, not just the car itself, but like me going to the gym, or, you know, getting coffee, and involve me driving still, but, you know, just have like a little extra to it. But I'm gonna start involving like more gyms in my vlogs, just because it's like I go to the gym anyways, and plus I need to get involved with the gym. And since I've been recording and editing and stuff, I don't really have time to hit the gym, mostly because I'd rather grind and make YouTube videos, you know. Then, you know, gym's always gonna be here, but the opportunity that YouTube's been giving me, it's not the same. It's like I gotta go for it, you know. Like, I have to take this opportunity and run with it. Like, guys, if I was truly spoiled, if this was daddy's money, I would not be grinding right now. That's a fact. But because I'm making sure that YouTube pays off this car, I'm going full send with it, bro. Full send. right, I'm gonna head my way to the gym now, do a little quick gym sesh, and then do a little POV after, and then we done. I hope you guys are enjoying those kind of like shots from the outside. You know, you don't really know how this car sounds until someone else drives it for you, or you hear it, which, to be honest, dude, I have only seen like one, maybe two Hellcats since I've bought this one. And they don't gas it, so I can't even hear it, you know what I mean? So I really hope you guys enjoy these type of vids. You know, my goal is to like fully expose how this car sounds, and you know, it's not like any other car, man. And that was my goal. My goal is everything I couldn't hear or see, that I want to make it happen. So that's why all my POV videos now, I'm gonna try keep setting up my phone to do a bunch of shots, and then maybe do some B-roll shots too, like some cinematic shots. Oh my gosh, I didn't get this thing straight pipe so I can hear those pops. Obviously, I'm talking about AMG because right now, obviously, I'm not rich enough to buy more cars. It's more like there's no point for me right now. I'm not at that point where I could just throw money like that. But if I can make money on YouTube, boom, gotta reinvest. I'm buying an AMG, straight piping that joint so quick. All right, I'm at the gym now. Do a quick little sesh. I'll bring you guys with. So pretty much, I just couldn't film inside the gym because there was just like so many people near me and it was so quiet. So I'm just gonna talk over my video. But next time I do a gym video, I'm gonna try to bring my phone, like another phone with me, so I can record my voice. Pretty much for chest day, I keep it simple, especially that I don't have a lot of time. You know, I'd be working and try to make more like YouTube videos rather than hitting the gym as much. Pretty much for chest day, I like to just, you know, do flat bench, incline bench, and flies when I'm like keeping it normal. Obviously, if I'm eating more, if I'm working out more, I'll do more things. But honestly, this is good enough. If you do it with volume, that's what's key, you know. So pretty much for chest, I usually go all the way up to, you know, I start with 25, rep it out for like, so I basically do 15, 12, 10, 8, and sometimes I keep doing 10 if I can do it as I'm going up weight. But for this session, I only went up to 45 and a 25, just because I didn't have a spotter. And yesterday I did shoulders, dude, and it was rough. I'm gonna be honest, it freaking completely destroyed my shoulders. You know, same with the incline bench. I didn't record myself doing a warm-up. Pretty much you start with the, you know, the lowest weight, just kind of like where you can do almost even 20. The way I like to do things is in every single machine, I like to do like 4 to 6 sets, starting with 15, 12, 10, 10, 8, and of course going up weight. But I mostly just try to focus on the squeeze and the pump, just because like I'd rather build muscle than just get really strong. For anyone that doesn't know, I used to be really fat, so making these kind of videos are like, you know, the advice, the stuff I'm saying is not only like from my own self, you know. Like, I would say my chest is pretty decent, but I still gotta lose some weight, you know. I used to be 235, which is almost 240 at one point, which is crazy. Now I weigh around like 195, 190, which is nothing compared to where I used to be. And then with flies, dude, I think in my opinion, flies is probably one of the best workouts I've ever done. It gives me like the most insane pump, and then especially when you squeeze in the middle, it's the best thing ever. Like, chest days used to be like one of my favorite days. Now I kind of more focus on like leg day. And of course, you know, for anyone that's watching this video, health is wealth. So always focus on, you know, whatever workout is. You know, my whole goal with this kind of like me involving the gym in my videos is just so anyone, just to, you know, to inspire some people to go to the gym. Because, you know, like I said, at the end of the day, health is wealth. But pretty much I move on to triceps. I did some other workouts that I didn't record, but, you know, overall, I kind of stick with like only 3. Especially that I don't work out too much, guys. It was kind of hard. So like I said, keeping it simple, more focus on just the squeeze, the pump. You know, I want to feel the blood flow. I'm more focusing on the growth of my muscles. Finished off with tries, and then pretty much finished the day. It was like a 45-minute gym sesh. Like I said, I'm keeping it chill as long as I'm still working my full-time job and doing YouTube. But hopefully one day, if things follow through, you know, I'll be doing gym videos every day, like intense videos. Honestly, dude, like I love the gym. I want to focus on what has to come next, you know. I want to focus on what can become the next thing for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this gym sesh. Like I said, I'm gonna do more like in-person commentaries, you know, chill little workout, nothing crazy. All right, done with the gym sesh. Dude, I was so self-conscious the whole time, but bro, oh my gosh, I'm gonna do a cool start up right now. Oh my. The only issue is that parked right where where everyone could see me, dude. So it's kind of cringe.
Damn, I ain't been broken, I'm in, don't get it fitted.
All right, so now we're done with the gym. I hope you guys enjoyed that little gym sesh. You know, I'm gonna try to keep it as short as possible, dude. I couldn't talk at all, bro. There was just so many people around, and so that's why next time I'm gonna bring my phone. But before I dip out of here, I'm gonna go behind here, bro. I'm gonna do some pulls back here and dip. I'm gonna dip so fast, bro. Oh my gosh, the echo's insane. Yo, I'm dipping out, bro. I'm dipping out. Dude, there's a dude staring at me. I'm getting out of here. I went the speed limit the whole way, dude. Don't even trip about it, all right? The whole way. It just sounds loud, you know what I mean? Hope you guys enjoyed that little gym sesh. I'm gonna be just literally doing like probably two to like 4 minutes worth of a gym sesh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta be careful here. This is like, I don't know, dude, this road's just too perfect. Like, I love this road so much, but bro, like, people in the comments be saying like I'm traumatized. Bro, I just don't want to, like, I'm just so at peace right now, bro. I just don't want to have issues with cops or people or anybody, you know? I'm just trying to enjoy my life, like, without any conflict, you know? And especially that I'm doing this almost every other day. I gotta, like, you know, I gotta just enjoy the way it is right now. Dude, this is literally like the most perfect freaking road. Dude, this is the road that me and my girl were on, and the restaurant I was talking about. Literally, again, like, everyone's freaking staring. Like, I honestly have never seen that restaurant. It's literally like, dude, these are commercial properties. Like, what are people? I don't know. I did not think there was a restaurant there, bro, until literally that day. I'm not actually used to driving automatic mode, but now when I'm thinking about it, like, dude, my girl did not push at all, because when I was driving back there, dude, I was slipping. Sheesh, bro.